Hi teachers. This problem it's about fraction. So the problem is saying what? It's saying a rectangle is cut into fourths. That means cut into 4 parts. So to start something like that, I can start something like that. And how many parts do you need? I need 4. And I bring this shape, and maybe I can enlarge it a little bit. You see here 4 parts as it's asking. Each fourth, which means each part, is cut into 4 equal parts. Okay, so I can go back and say what? I'm gonna create another 4 with this way. I'm gonna say okay, and I'm gonna insert this inside and try to make it fit exactly in each part. So this is the first thing. I'm trying to make it exactly the same, and after that another 4. Okay, insert it again, and another 4, insert it again, and another 4 with this way, and insert it again. So you see here, I divide exactly each 4 into 4 pieces. So if I take a copy of this shape and I bring it to our problem, this is what the conclusion of my work. So if I take this one, it's saying what fraction of the rectangle are the resulting part. That means I have to count how many parts in total I was doing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That means each square is 1/16. That means 16th is the right answer and the right choice to answer this question. Thank you for listening.